ABC juice is one of the most viral juices that has been shown to be consumed by influencers, actors, and a lot of nutritionists promoting that this cures your acne, improves pigmentation, detoxes your body, and actually reverses your signs of aging. Is this actually true? Hi, I'm Dr. Shalini Krishnamurthy, and let me separate social media from science. What does ABC juice stand for? A is for apple, which has high fiber content and polyphenols in it. B is for beetroot. This is rich in antioxidant, has nitrates in it. C is for carrot, which has got the most important ingredient, which is your beta carotene in it. Carrots have beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A by your body. This helps in cell turnover by reversing the damage that has been caused by stress and also creates a good circulation in your skin. Eating carrots is healthy, but don't confuse carrots for a replacement of your prescription retinoids just because they belong to the class of vitamin A. Also, when you start taking overdosage of carrots, you can see a slight orange or yellowish tinge that can be formed on your soles and palms. But this is temporary and can be reversed if you reduce the intake of it. Beetroots have nitrates and folate in them, which helps in blood circulation, and it is also a potent antioxidant, so reduces oxidative stress and helps in an overall healthy skin condition. But can actually beetroot make your skin look pink? No, it does not change the color of your skin. Melanin is responsible for the pigment of your skin, and beetroot has no role to play in this. Apple is mainly for the fiber, the polyphenols in it, and it also helps in hydration. I would recommend eating the whole fruit is more beneficial than drinking the juice. Can the ABC juice cure acne? Well, acne is caused by a lot of triggers like hormonal causes, stress, nutritional deficiencies, and genetics. Your ABC juice cannot target any of these triggers and have no role in correcting the mechanisms which create acne. Can it eliminate pigmentation? Well, no again, because chemical peels, lasers, your active creams, and other clinical procedures can only treat your pigmentation and not this juice alone. Can it help in collagen synthesis? Well, ABC juice does have some amount of vitamin C in it. It helps and supports in the synthesis of collagen, but it is not individually responsible for collagen production. Can the ABC juice help detox your body? Well, skin is not a organ which can detox your body. Also, liver and kidneys help in the detoxification process, and ABC juice has no role in playing this detoxification process in your body. Does drinking larger quantities of ABC juice result in better skin? Well, it can only give you a sugar spike because these have natural sugars in it, and the more number of juice that you drink or the quantity, if it is increased, it's only giving you that excessive sugar, and it's also probably replacing one of your balanced meals. Also, this ABC juice is better consumed with breakfast, and it should not be taken on empty stomach because, like I mentioned earlier, it can only increase your insulin spike. But if it is taken after breakfast, it helps with digestion. Also, you will not see any chances of a sugar spike like this. A few of them should strictly avoid this ABC juice, especially if you're diabetic or in pre-diabetic phase, if you're suffering from conditions with kidney stones, if you have an inflammatory bowel syndrome, or if you have sensitive stomach, and especially in children, where I advise giving them whole fruits and vegetables instead of juices. So my approved way of drinking the ABC juice would be have 1 apple, 1 carrot, half a beetroot. You could also have ginger and lemon with it just to make it taste better. Also, do not strain the juice, have it with the pulp. So my final verdict for the ABC juice is have the juice with the pulp, Have it after your breakfast. Have a limited quantity of it, about 100 to 150 ml of it, not more than 2 to 3 times in a week. Be consistent with this because this is not a miracle drink. This is just a good addition to your nutrition regime. What helps with great skin is your diet, lifestyle, and if you have any indications, your doctor's prescription and clinical procedures. Just this juice alone cannot take care of all the skin issues and give you that healthy glowing skin. Definitely make ABC juice a part of your routine and be consistent with it, but do not overdo with it. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on that notification bell if you want to understand all the social media trends and separate it from the science facts. Take care.